Namaste to all. Today we are organizing the April month concert from Ernakulam, Kerala. Shruti Mata Layapita, the monthly concert series of International Chamber for Indian Music and Culture, the music division of Parakadatu Goikal Trust. I would like to invite Ms. Preeti Gopalakrishnan for today's prayer song and officially comparing today's function of Shruti Mata Layapita. Ms. Preeti Gopalakrishnan is a senior Carnatic music student of Tripunithara's prestigious music school, G.N. Swami Sangeeta Vidyalayam. Preeti Gopalakrishnan is also holding the position of the trustee of Mridula Sparsham. She is also contributing her valuable time to serve to support Carnatic music world by engaging as one of the committee members of Tripunithara Sri Punithara Sangeeta Sabha and supporting to the International Chamber Parakadatu Goikal Trust. Ms. Preeti Gopalakrishnan officially serves as the HR consultant with the EY Global Delivery Services since 2017. I would like to invite Ms. Preeti Gopalakrishnan.
Saraswati Sharade Ma Saraswati Sharade Ma Vidyadani Sakala Guna Khani Rasikan Ko Sukh De Ema Saraswati Sharade Ema. Namaste. Welcome to Shruti Mata Layapita, the monthly concert series by the International Chamber for Indian Music and Culture. This international initiative commenced in 2025 under the aegis of the Parakadatta Goikal Trust, which is affiliated with the Kerala Sangeeta Nataka Academy, Government of Kerala. This renowned trust, operating out of the royal city of Kerala, Tripunithara, has been live since 2013. The April 2026 concert will be performed out of Ernakulam, Kerala. Nadam, Swaram, Ragam, Talam. These are the foundational pillars without which Carnatic music would not live its long life today and hereafter. However, Shruti or pitch is so life enabling, it is considered the mother of Karnataka Sangeetam, as is Laya, born out of rhythm, the complementary life form. This international chamber, meaningfully named Shruti Mata Layapita, dedicates its monthly online concert series to the esteemed mother goddesses Lakshmi, Saraswati, Durga, and invokes their blessings. The aim of these monthly concert series is to promote Carnatic music through musical stalwarts, as well as promote up-and-coming talented or amateur artists in India and abroad. Each monthly kacheri will be telecast through various media and channels in India and on global platforms. The link to these recordings will be circulated internationally to various music colleges, academies, concerned department authorities, institutes, Sangeeta Sabhas, trusts, fine art societies, and reputed music organizations. It will also be made available to music teachers in India and internationally. The Parakadatta Goikal Trust International Chamber also rewards and recognizes every artist with its valuable participation certificates. The monthly concert format thoughtfully conducts kacheris in India and overseas alternately to ensure ample opportunity is provided to artists. Typically, the concerts are held on the second Friday of every month, which I'm sure this August audience knows is the special and auspicious day of the mother goddesses Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati. With immense pride, now let me introduce the powerful legends, acharyas and leaders who brought life to the International Chamber for Indian Music and Culture, the international initiative of the Parakkadattu Koikil Trust. Patron, Tripunithra Asthana Vidwan, Padma Bhushan Dr. T.V. Gopalakrishnan. Chief Advisory Board Members, Tripunithra Asthana Vidwan Shri Tripunithra N. Radhakrishnan, Tripunithra Asthana Vidwan Shri Nedumangad Shivanandan. Management Team Members, Vice Chairman Shri K.P. Rajmohan Varma, International Coordinator Shri Tripunithra P.K. Sajit Kumar Varma, Department Head of Music Shri Tripunithra K.R. Chandramohan, Department Head of Veena Srimati Devi Vasudevan Nambudiri, Department Head of Violin Shri Edapalli Jaymohan, Department Head of Percussion Shri Tripunithra K. Kannan, Department Head of Arts and Literature Tripunithra Asthana Vidwan Dr. Jaiprakash Sharma, Parakkadattu Koikil Trust Chairperson Srimati P.K. Usha Devi, Parakkadattu Koikil Trust President Srimati P.K. Sridevi Varma, Parakkadattu Koikil Trust General Convener Shri P.K. Sanjay Varma. Where there's creative arts, music, culture and percussion, one can be sure the driving force behind it is Shri Rajmohan Varma. With personal pride, I would like to call on Rajmohan Sir, my teacher and the Vice Chairman of the International Chamber of Music and Culture, to welcome this August gathering.
Namaste and welcome to all of you to Shruti Mata Layapita, the monthly concert series of International Chamber for Indian Music and Culture and International Initiative of Parakkadattu Koikil Trust, Tripunithra, Kerala. The International Chamber is committed to organizing vocal and instrumental concerts monthly from India and abroad. As per the International Chamber Advisory Board members, the Working Committee has given focus to promote young and talented musicians and artists as well in 2026. After organizing the Violin Acharya's Violin Duet Concert, last month we organized a senior vocalist concert from USA. This month we have decided to organize the music concert by adding young, upcoming and multi-talented vocalist and mridangist from Ernakulam, Kerala. The International Chamber is blessed with music legends as its leadership to successfully continue this unique and innovative international platform for the Carnatic music world. This international platform is giving opportunities to musicians, artists and music lovers internationally. We are making each concert everlasting and ensuring they are available at our official YouTube and Facebook channels to listen, learn and study repeatedly. First of all, it is my great privilege to welcome our veteran leadership and our team Carnatic music maestros who are all contributing their valuable time as well our honorable head of the departments. I am very much happy to be a part of the International Chamber as its honorary vice chairman. I would like to welcome Sangeeta Acharyan Tripunithara Asthana Vidwan Professor P.R. Kumara Keralavarma to this month's concert. Kumara Keralavarma sir is blessing us today with his felicitation speech. I would like to welcome Sri Edappalli Jayamohan, the Department Head of Violin, International Chamber, P.K. Koikal Trust, to this month's concert. Sri Jayamohan will be delivering the keynote address today. Sri Jayamohan, Namaste and welcome to our monthly concert series, Shruti Mata Laya Pita. It is my pleasure and privilege to welcome each and every member, head of the departments of International Chamber, Parakkadathu Koikal Trust, who are the pillars of our music division. I would like to welcome all trustees and members of Parakkadathu Koikal Trust to our monthly concert series, Shruti Mata Laya Pita. I would like to welcome each and every one of you and our well-wishers, esteemed viewers, through our various social media channels to our monthly concert series, Shruti Mata Laya Pita. I would like to welcome Sri P.K. Sajit Kumar Varma, the International Coordinator of the International Chamber and the Managing Trustee of Parakkadathu Koikal Trust, who is delivering vote of thanks today. Sri Sajit Kumar, Namaste and welcome to our 2026 inaugural concert of the monthly concert series Shruti Mata Laya Pita. Shruti Mata Laya Pita, the April month concert is organizing from International Ernakulam, Kerala. On behalf of International Chamber of Music Culture, Parakkadathu Koikal Trust, it is my great pleasure to welcome all artists performing in the monthly international concert series Shruti Mata Laya Pita. I would like to welcome young, multi-talented and upcoming Carnatic vocalist Kumari Meenakshi S. Varma to our April month concert. I would like to welcome violin Vidwan Sri Ernakulam Satish Varma to our April month concert. I would like to welcome young, multi-talented and upcoming Mridangam artist Sri Jayant Ramavarma to our April month concert. I once again welcome all of you to our April month concert and our monthly Carnatic music concert series Shruti Mata Laya Pita. Thank you all.
Sir, thank you so much for making every member of this audience feel welcome and for your inspiring words. A staunch believer that music is God and has no barriers, many concert scenes have been graced by his soul-stirring strings. I refer to none other than Sri Edappalli Jayamohan, our International Chamber of Music and Culture's Department Head of Violin. Welcome, sir. We look forward to your keynote address.
Namaste to all. Shruti Mata Laya Pita, the monthly Carnatic music concert series hosted by the International Chamber, has become a unique platform promoting Carnatic music. The platform organizes vocal as well as instrumental concerts. The artists and musicians in India and abroad are getting opportunities to perform through this channel. Holding the honorary position of the International Chamber as the Department Head of Violin, I am extremely privileged and pleased to share my knowledge, music knowledge with the upcoming artists across the globe through this channel. The monthly concert series organized by the International Chamber are performed by a wide range of musicians and artists, ranging right from the Sangeeta Acharyas, professional musicians and upcoming talented music artists. our monthly concert series, which are available on our channel, they are already being accessed as a reference material by various resikas and artists. It is with immense pride that we state that a performance in the monthly concert series of the International Chamber has become a major profiling criteria for professional musicians in India as well as abroad. This month's concert is being telecasted from Ernakulam, Kochi, Kerala, India. Miss Meenakshi S. Verma is on the vocal. She is a multifaceted artist. Apart from being an exemplary performer of vocal music, she is also an accomplished Vainika as well as a poetess of English literature. She excels in painting too. She is the daughter of renowned violin vidwan Sri Ernakulam Sadish Verma. Sri Ernakulam Sadish Verma is accompanying her on the violin. He is a senior violinist having a 35 years of professional expertise under his belt. He is a senior disciple of Sri Sangeeta Acharya, Sangeeta Purna Sri Nirmangada Shivanandan sir. He is also a high grade artist in AR tissue. Sri Jayant Ramavarma is accompanying on the mridangam. He is also a multifaceted artist who excels in vocal, violin and mridangam. He is the son of Sri Sadish Verma. I extend all my best wishes to these wonderful artists. I also request our respected Rasikas to listen to this concert and leave their valuable feedback. Namaste to all and thank you all.
Namaste, sir. Nandri for those words of wisdom. We are indeed fortunate to have the distinguished Professor Kumara Kerala Verma amidst us today. He is a musician, vocalist and educator par excellence, and the International Chamber of Music and Culture is indeed privileged to receive his blessings through his felicitation address today. Welcome, sir.
Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste to all. Shruti Mata Laya Pita. I am very much happy and appreciate the International Chamber Parakaduthu Goikal Trust for organizing the monthly concert series internationally for the second consecutive year. We all know that for the past 12 years, the Trust has been contributing its valuable support to Carnatic music and all musicians and artists across India and abroad. This is very unique and innovative support and service extending to the Carnatic music world, and we are all benefiting. This is also showing the ability and success of the team working behind the International Chamber, and I really appreciate them for their dedication and hard work. Acharyas taught to all of us, and generations after generations are following Shruti as the mother and Laya as the father in Carnatic music. When we render any kriti, geetam or varnam with a combination of shruti, swara, raga and tala. Apart from its uniqueness, this international Carnatic music platform is providing opportunities to the global Carnatic music listeners and lovers to listen to the concerts of acharyas, professional musicians and upcoming musicians and artists performing internationally through the International Chamber platform. The International Chamber's monthly concerts are designed alternately as 1 month's concert from India and another from abroad. This month, the concert is being organized from Ernakulam, Kerala, and opportunities have been given to the upcoming and talented vocalist and mridangist to perform internationally. I wish all success to Meenakshi S. Verma. She is singing today, and Jayant Ramavarma, he is accompanying mridangam along with their blessed father and famous violinist Sri Ernakulam Satish Verma. Wishing all success to this month's concert. Thanks a lot. Namaskar.
Namaste, sir. Thank you for your valuable speech and blessings. On behalf of the International Chamber for Music and Culture, Parakadatta Koikil Trust, it is my great pleasure to welcome all artists performing in this monthly concert series, Shruti Mata Laya Pita, this April 2026. I would like to first welcome a young and multi-talented Carnatic vocalist, a rising star and breakthrough artist in the concert scene, Kumari Meenakshi S. Verma. She is the disciple of Sangeeta Vidwan Shri Kochi Vishwanathan and Sangeeta Vidushi Srimati Shantala Raju. Her father is Vidwan Shri Ernakulam Satish Verma. She started learning at the tender age of 4 and now performs concerts across Kerala while balancing her academics as a student of Bhavans Vidya Mandir, Girinagar. Kumari Meenakshi Verma has won several prizes and certifications from many prestigious organizations, including the All Kerala CBSE Kalolsavam and Bhavans Fest for Music. She is the winner of the Carnatic Idol Sub-Junior category conducted by Ragamalika TV Chennai in the year 2022. She is the winner of the Augustine Joseph Memorial Award 2025 from the Shri Purnatraisha Sangeeta Sabha Tripunitra, the recipient of the CCRT Scholarship of Central Government in Carnatic Music, a distinction holder of the Bharat Sevak Samaj Diploma course for Carnatic Music instituted by the central government. We are indeed fortunate to have her performing in this platform. Welcome, Kumari Meenakshi S. Verma. I would like to welcome the violin Vidwan Shri Ernakulam Satish Verma to the concert. Shri Ernakulam Satish Verma is the disciple of violin Acharya Tripunitra Asthana Vidwan Shri Nedumangad Shivanandan. He is a Carnatic violinist and big high-grade artist in AIR Thrissur and is currently based in Ernakulam. He started learning violin under Sri Neelur Jayakumar and later under Sri Nedumangad Shivanandan. His vast experience spans 35 years as a Carnatic violinist, not just as a solo artist but also accompanying other Sangeetacharyas and maestros in Carnatic music concerts in and outside Kerala. He also shares his knowledge of Vidwan of violin by conducting various levels of classes for students directly and online. Officially, he is a retired senior superintendent from the Kerala State Electricity Board, while he is closely associated with the International Chamber of Music and Culture, Parakkadatha Koyikal Trust, Tripunithura. We are very happy to welcome Sri Ernakulam Satish Verma to this monthly concert series, Shruti Mata Laya Pita. I would also like to welcome another key performer for making a kacheri complete, the young, multi-talented and upcoming Mridangist Sri Jayant Ramavarma to the concert. He is a multifaceted, young and emerging artist from Ernakulam. Apart from Mridangam, he is also a Carnatic music vocalist and also plays the violin. He started learning Mridangam under Sri Vinayak and has now done advanced studies under Vidwan Sri Balakrishna Kamath. He started his music journey by studying music vocals under Vidwan Sri Kochi Vishwanath and started basic violin lessons from his father Satish Verma. He has now completed or is completing his advanced studies in violin under the tutelage of Professor P.T. Radhakrishnan and violin Vidwan Sri Edapalli A. Ajit Kumar. Officially, he is a software engineer with TCS Kakanad, Kochi. Welcome Sri Jayant Ramavarma to our monthly concert series, Shruti Mata Laya Pita. Once again, it gives me immense happiness to welcome all of you to our April edition of the International Monthly Concert Series hosted from Ernakulam, Kerala, Shruti Mata Laya Pita.
Jai gari zani gari zani ba ni gari ni pani zari ni gani zari ga bani sadi dora ane ga nani ba gari zani ba ni gari ni pani zari ni gani zari ga bani sadi dora ane ga nani ba gari ni pani zani re zari ba gani ba zani ni gari ni re ba ga pani zani ga pani zari ga pani zani gari zani ba re zani ba gari ni zari ga pani sadi dora ane ga nani ba gari ni pani zani re zari ba gani ba zani ni gari ni re ba pani zani ga pani zani ga pani zani gari zani ba re zani ba gari ni zari ga pani sadi dora ane ga nasa gari zani ba gari zani ga sa gari zani ba gari zani ga pa sani ba gari zani ga pani zani ni re ba ga pani ga ba gari zani ni gari ba gani de ga pani zani sani ni re ba ga pani ga ba gari zani ni gari ba gani de ga pani zani ba ga ba de ga pani zani pani zani gani zani gari ni pani gari ni zani ba gari zani pani zani sa ba ni ba gari zani zani ga pani sadi dora ane ga na sa gari zani ba gari zani ga sani ba gari zani ga pani zani ni ba ga pani ga ba gari zani gari ba gani ni ga pani zani ba ga ba ga pani ga pani zani gani zani gari ni bani gani ni zani ba gari zani bani zani sa ni ba gari zani zani ga ba sa ba ni ba gari zani zani ga ba sa ba ni ba gari zani zani ga bani sadi dora ane ga ni सिद्धिविनायकं गणेशम् सिद्धिविनायकं गणेशं चिन्तयाम्यहं सिद्धिविनायकं गणेशं चिन्तयाम्यहं सिद्धिविनायकं गणेशं चिन्तयाम्यहं सिद्धिविनायकं गणेशं పదని ప్రసిద్ధ గణనాయకం దని పదని మబదని ప్రసిద్ధ గణనాయకం నిని జని జరి గరి జని నిజ దని పద పదమ బగమ నిగ జరి నిజ నిగమ పదని ప్రసిద్ధ గణనాయకం నిగ నిగమ గమ గమ బ మమ మబద పద పదని దని దని ప్రసిద్ధ గణనాయకం దమ బద బమ బద మ ప బద బమ గరి గమ గరి సరి గమ బద మ బదని మ బదని సమ మ బదని ద బమ బదని సరి గరి సని రి సని దని ద బమ బదని గరి సని ద సని ద బమ గరి స గరి సని ద రి స ని ద బ సని ద బమ గరి స గరి సని ద రి స ని ద బ సని ద బద ప్రసిద్ధ గణనాయకం గరి సరి గమ పద ద బమ పద ని ని దని సని సరి సని రి స ద దని మని ద ద బమ పని ద ద బమ బ సని ద బమ పద ద ని ని స సరి రి గమ గరి సని రి సని ద ని స గరి ని రి సని ద పద ని గరి చ రి స ని చ ని చ గరి గరి సని ద రి చ రి సని ద బ సని సని ద బమ గమ ప మ ప ద పద ని గ మ పద బమ ప ద ని ద ప ద ని సని గరి చ రి స ని చ ని ద గరి చ ని ద రి చ ని ద బ సని ద పద ప్రసిద్ధ గణనాయక విశిష్టార్థదాయక పరం సిద్ధి వినాయకం ಸುಮಸಯಕ ವಿಧುರ ಅವಮಾಧವ ಸುತತಿ ಅತಿದೀನ ಸುಮಸಯಕ ವಿಧುರ ಅವಮಾಧವ ಸುತತಿ ಸುಮಸಯಕ ವಿಧುರ ಅವಮಾಧವ ಸುದತಿ ಅತಿದೀನ ಸುಮಸಯಕ ವಿಧುರ ಅವಮಾಧವ ಸುದತಿ ಅತಿದೀನ ಸುಮಸಯಕ ವಿಧುರ ರಮಣಿ समयं बहुबाधय सखि समयं बहुबाधय सखि सरसी Sorry. साधुजनविनुतं गुरुगुहं साधुजनविनुतं गुरुगुहं साधुजनविनुतं गुरुगुहं साधुजनविनुतं गुरुगुहं साधुजनविनुतं गुरुगुहं साधुजनविनुतं गुरुगुहं सङ्गीतप्रियं भजेऽहं साधुजनविनुतं गुरुगुहं सङ्गीतप्रियं भजेऽहं साधुजनविनुतं माधुर्य रसादि भक्षणं माधुर्य रसादि भक्षणं माधुर्य रसादि भक्षणं माधुर्य रसादि भक्षणं मात शूरादिशिक्षणं माधुर्य रसादि भक्षणं मात शूरादिशिक्षणं माधवादिदेवरक्षणं 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 माधकोटिविजयलक्षणं माधवादिदेवरक्षणं माधकोटिविजयलक्षणं साधु जनविनुतं गुरुगुहं सङ्गीतप्रियं भजेऽहं साधु जनविनुतं गुरुगुहं ब्रोवभारमा ब्रोवभारमा रघुरामा ब्रोवभारमा रघुरामा ब्रोवभारमा रघु కలశంబుదిలో దయతోన మరుల కలశంబుదిలో దయతోన మరుల కలశంబుదిలో దయతోన మరుల కలశంబుదిలో దయతోన మరుల स्मर सदा मानस बालगोपालं स्मर सदा मानस बालगोपालं स्मर सदा கருட துரங்கம் கனக சுஜேலும் கருட துரங்கம் கனக சுஜேலும் கருட துரங்கம் கனக சுஜேலும் கருட துரங்கம் கனக சுஜேலம் 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 கருட ಗರಿ ಸದ ರೇಸ ನಿವ ಗಮ ಮಗರಿ ಗರುಡ ತುರು ದ ದ ದ ದ ದವ ಮಗರಿ ಗದವ ಮಗರಿ ಗದ ಸರಿ ಗಪ ಮಗರಿ ಗಪ ಗದ ಪಸ ನಿರವ ಗವ ಮಗರಿ ಗರುಡ ತುರು ಗ ಗ ಗ ಡಿ ಗ ಗ ಗ ಡಿ ಗ ಗ ಡಿ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಸ ಟಿ ಗ ಗ ಗ ಬ ಮ ಗ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ಸ ಗ ಗ ನಿ ದ ಬ ಗ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ಬ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ಬ ಮ ಬ ಬ ಗ ಬ ದ ಬ ಬ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ದ ದ ಬ ಮ ಗ மகரி கருட துருங்கம். Gaba gare ga ba da ba da zani gare zani da za gare zani da za gare zani da za gare zani da za re zani da ba ma gare zani ga ba ma ga sare ga ba ma ga sare ga ba ma ga sare ga ba ma ga re ga ba da ba ma ga ba da zani gare zani da za gare zani da za gare zani da za gare zani da za re zani da ba da ba ma gare ga दीनमदनुत परिपालय मां दीनमदनुत परिपालय मां दीनमदनुत परिपालय मां दीनमदनुत परिपालय मामयि भूसुरपालन लोलन माधव सागरेन्द्र जयवारि जादमुदरी दीनमदनुत परिपालय मामयि भूसुरपालन लोलन माधव सागरेन्द्र जयवारि जादमुदरी दीनमदनुत परिपालय मामयि भूसुरपालन लोलन माधव सागरेन्द्र जयवारि जादमुदरी दीनमदनुत परिपालय शोणी भर हर शोणी भर हर शोणी भर हर नट कामदान जन भौम गर्व हर पद्मनाभ भवगेद जालर शोणी भर हर नट कामदान जन भौम गर्व हर पद्मनाभ भवगेद जालर दीनमदनुत परिपालय मामयि भूसुरपालन लोलन माधव सागरेन्द्र जयवारि जादमुदरी दीनमदनुत परिपालय कंसवारिद समरुचि विलसित कंसवारिद समरुचि विलसित कंसवारिद समरुचि विलसित कंसवारिद समरुचि विलसित नीरे सागर मम हृदि परिलस कंसवारिद समरुचि विलसित नीरे सागर मम हृदि परिलस भाललोचन सन्नुत भाललोचन सन्नुत भाललोचन सन्नुत काजन चेल पल्लग राजपुरालय लोचन सन्नुत काजन चेल पल्लग राजपुरालय काळियोर गमदाप सुनटन काळियोर गमदाप सुनटन काळियोर गमदाप सुनटन कंसवारिद समीरण जय जय काळियोर गमदाप सुनटन कंसवारिद समीरण जय जय दीनमदनुत परिपालय मामयि भूसुरपालन लोलन माधव सागरेन्द्र जयवारि जादमुदरी दीनमदनुत परिपालय मामयि भूसुरपालन लोलन माधव सागरेन्द्र जयवारि जादम सागरेन्द्र जयवारि जादम सागरेन्द्र जयवारि जादमुदरी दीनमदनुत परिपालय 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 राम मंत्र जपिसो राम मंत्र जपिसो हे मनुज राम मंत्र जपिसो हे मनुज राम मंत्र जपिसो ಸಕಲವೇ ದಿಗಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಾರಮೇ ಇವ ಮಂತ್ರ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಮಾರ್ಗ ಗೆಲಿವೆ ಮೂಲ ಮಂತ್ರ ಸಕಲವೇ ದಿಗಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಾರಮೇ ಇವ ಮಂತ್ರ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಮಾರ್ಗ ಗೆಲಿವೆ ಮೂಲ ಮಂತ್ರ ಭಕ್ತಿ ರಸಗೆ ಭಕ್ತಿ ರಸಗೆ ದರಿಯುಂಬೆ ತುರುವ ಮಂತ್ರ ಭಕ್ತಿ ರಸಗೆ ದರಿಯುಂಬೆ ತುರುವ ಮಂತ್ರ ಸುಖ ನಿಧಿ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಡಲನ ಮಂತ್ರ ಭಕ್ತಿ ರಸಗೆ ದರಿಯುಂಬೆ ತುರುವ ಮಂತ್ರ ಸುಖ ನಿಧಿ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಡಲನ ಮಂತ್ರ ರಾಮ ಮಂತ್ರವ ಜಪಿಸೋ ಹೇ ಮನುಜ ರಾಮ ಮಂತ್ರವ ಜಪಿಸೋ ಮಂತ್ರವ ಜಪಿಸೋ ಮಂತ್ರವ ಜಪಿಸೋ ನೀನಾಮ ರೂಪములగు నిత్యజయ మంగళం పవమాన సుదుడు పడు పదార విందములగు నీనామ రూపములగు నిత్యజయ మంగళం రాజీవ నయన త్యాగ రాజాది సిద్ధవైన నీనామ రూపములగు నిత్యజయ మంగళం నిత్యజయ మంగళం నిత్యజయ మంగళం
No trust or organization or musical association is successful without those working behind the scenes. I would like to welcome Shri P.K. Sajit Kumara Varma, the International Coordinator of the International Chamber of Music and Culture. He is also the Managing Trustee of the Parakadatta Koikil Trust. We welcome you, sir, to deliver the vote of thanks today.
Namaste to all. With the blessings of goddesses Durga Devi, Lakshmi Devi and Saraswati Devi, the April month concert successfully completed from Ernakulam, Kerala, as a part of the monthly concert series of Shruti Mata Laya Pita, organized by International Chamber for Indian Music and Culture and International Initiative of Parakadatta Koikil Trust. On behalf of International Chamber Parakadatta Koikil Trust, I would like to extend our special thanks to all performers of our April month concert organized from Ernakulam, Kerala. On vocal, young, talented and upcoming Carnatic vocalist Kumari Meenakshi S. Verma. Kumari Meenakshi S. Verma, thank you so much for your valuable concert. On violin Vidwan Sri Ernakulam Satish Verma. Sri Satish Verma, thank you so much for your valuable participation and guidance to organize this concert. On Mridangam, young, talented and upcoming Mridangist, Sri Jayant Ramavarma. Sri Jayant Ramavarma, thank you so much for your valuable participation. It's my great pleasure and privilege to extend our sincere thanks to Sangeeta Vidwan, Tripundara Asana Vidwan, Professor Kumari Kerala sir, for blessing us and delivering felicitation speech today. Sir, thank you so much for your valuable blessings with the inspiring speech and your valuable guidance and continued support extending to International Chamber Parakadatta Koikil Trust. It's my great privilege to extend our sincere thanks to Sri K.P. Rajmohan Verma, the Vice Chairman of International Chamber for Indian Music and Culture, Parakadatta Koikil Trust, for his valuable welcome address delivered today. Sri Rajmohan Verma is leading the team of International Chamber. Sri Rajmohan Verma, thank you so much for your welcome address and your valuable leadership extending to the International Chamber Parakadatta Koikil Trust. It's my great privilege to extend our sincere thanks to Sri Edapalli Jayamohan for delivering keynote speech today. Sri Jayamohan is holding the honorary position of the Department of Violin of International Chamber, Parakaduthu Goikal Trust. Sri Jayamohan, thank you so much for your valuable speech and your valuable guidance and support extending to International Chamber, Parakaduthu Goikal Trust. It's my great privilege to extend our sincere thanks to Ms. Preeti Gopalakrishnan for the prayer song and officially comparing today's monthly event of International Chamber Parakaduthu Goikal Trust. Ms. Preeti Gopalakrishnan, thank you so much for your valuable participation today and your support extending to the International Chamber Parakaduthu Goikal Trust. I would like to thank Sri Satish Nair, founder and CEO of Shastra Media, who is the official partner of media channel telecasting across Kerala. I would like to extend our sincere thanks to Sri P. Sukumaran, Chief Editor and Publisher of the Gulf Indians, who is the official NRI portal covering news and videos. I would like to thank each and every one of you and our well-wishers, esteemed viewers through our various social media channels. The next month international concert is scheduled on 2nd Friday, the 8th May of 2026 from Bahrain. Namaste and thank you all.
Namaste. Thank you, Shri Sajit Kumara Verma, for all your work behind the scenes and for kindly thanking everybody who attended this August evening. Thank you all. The April month international concert has officially concluded. Next month, our series is scheduled on the second Friday, which is 8th of May 2026, organized from Bahrain. Namaste. Thank you.